anxious about the short game as I was the first time because I think in my mind now it's like nothing. Is that already started?
Yes.
Whatever. In my mind,
Nothing
it's
to
like
lose.
Nothing to lose. Yeah.
All right. In the following exercises, find the center radius form of the equation of the circle, and it says and graph it. We're not going to do the and graph it part.
See,
We're just
that's why I asked yesterday if we were going to be graphing, and y'all asked me, but that's why I asked, because you say that we don't graph it half the time, and it says graphing. It's not funny.
I mean, you can graph them if you want.
I don't want to.
Okay, well, that's what I thought.
Is this going to be easy like the distance formula?
Yeah.
Okay.
Center 0, 0, radius 9. So, the equation of a circle
I don't remember.
is right here, centered at HK. If we're centered at the origin, though, it's 0, 0.
Gosh,
It's just x squared plus y squared equals whatever the radius is
so
squared.
It's just 9.
So this one is x squared plus y squared equals 9.
That's the answer. That is so weird. Okay. I'm upset that your quadratic formula was straight up anymore.
Why? I'll give it to you if you need it.
Yeah, but it just made me happy.
It's literally on the back wall. You never even looked at it.
I know.
Oh, wait. I don't want to do 14. I lied. I want to do
It was
18.
it was like a comfort that it was there.
Center at 4, 3, radius 5.
Okay. 4 squared. No. Just. No. It's a different formula, right?
It's so it's going to be x minus 4 or whatever. Yeah, they're both positive. X minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals whatever the r was. I don't
5.
remember. So x minus 4 quantity squared. I said it was plus, right?
Plus.
Okay. I don't use the circle formula that often, so I just have to think about it. That's not. It's y minus 3 squared equals 5 squared.
You have to simplify.
Nope.
No.
That's it?
That's it.
Next.
This feels like
We gotta get this done because we don't have time to do our stupid homework tonight.
22, the center
Upset.
Okay.
at negative square root of 3, negative square root of 3, radius square root of 3.
We should put
I got this
we
one.
should put our senior night picture on that.
X minus the square root of 3. Right?
Well, minus a negative.
Plus square root of 3 squared plus y plus the square root of 3 squared equals square root of 3 squared. That's the answer.
Yep.
Alright, is there something more complicated than this?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Decide whether or not each equation has a circle as its graph. If it does, give the center and radius. If it does not, describe the graph.
What?
Oh, that does not sound good.
You asked for something more complicated.
Well, I just.
Well, I didn't ask for something.
All right, 28. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y plus 16 equals 0.
What is this?
Ethan, have you done this before?
Oh, sure you did. Show us how it's done, Ethan.
Well, I was going to teach it. I just wanted to know if he had done it before.
Okay.
Do you remember what you have to do?
Factor.
You gotta,
Sort of.
well, yeah, you gotta group by term. Well, not group by term.
Like, put the same things, yeah. So, x squared plus 8x, leave some space, plus y squared minus 6y, and we're moving the 16 over, leave some space, equals negative 16.
Looks like completing the square.
So
Mm.
Complete the square.
We're going to complete the square
Oh.
twice.
Twice.
Twice? I'm dropping out.
You
Where's
gotta-
that
You
letter?
gotta divide by 2 in square.
Oh, I was like, huh?
Or-
I thought you meant I needed to divide by 2 before I did anything else. I was like, wait a second, what are you talking about?
It's plus 16.
What?
It is, right? The first.
Make sure the boxes that get added have to get added to the other side as well.
Oh.
So half the middle term squared is 16. I'm going to rewrite that as 4 squared. Over here, I'm going to write 16. Half the middle term squared is 3 squared. 9.
Oh, shoot.
So now,
I don't know what to do after this because I got it wrong.
what does this factor into? It's a perfect square trinomial.
Oh.
4 and 4.
X plus 4, X minus 4.
X plus 4.
Yep. X plus 4 squared
Whatever. It's close enough.
plus, what does this one factor into?
Why?
Because I said so.
I thought you said, why is the answer?
Is it like... I have no idea.
Well,
Oh, 9. 9. Oh, okay, so it's 3 and 3. So -3 and -3.
Yep.
For a second, I thought I was getting confused.
Equals, what's left on this side?
9.
Guys,
Go team.
do you set both equal to 9 now?
No.
That's the answer?
The only thing
This
that
is
the book
stupid.
is going to do, which if you leave it this way, it's okay, but the book will write it as x plus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 3 squared.
We're not doing that, right?
So as long as you have one of those two things, I'm okay with it.
Okay. So is that as hard as it's gonna get?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
literally all we're doing with this section. So we're
Oh.
going to do a couple more of them.
One more and we are good to go.
Yeah.
Are we sure? Because like
Yeah.
completing the square, I feel like
I didn't know what it was,
It's,
but now I
it's,
do.
it's half the middle term squared.
Duh.
Easy.
All right, let's put money on it. We can do this one by ourselves.
Money on it.
Yeah,
How much money
gotta
are you
show
putting
it.
on it?
I'm putting on.
You can have whatever is left on my credit
Buy
card.
Jason's Deli lunch. I don't know. Just,
I'll buy you Jason's Deli if you can get the answer straight.
I remember. No, deal. If we do this one right, then we can start our homework. Isn't this a great plan?
sure.
I
If
don't
everybody
know.
does it right, you can start your homework.
Okay. All right.
I know
Alright.
this is a lot of pressure now.
I need to look at the, okay. You're laughing. Is something wrong with this problem? Is it different than the last one? Oh, here. I think you put us up to something.
It's the same thing.
No, maybe it's not. Half the American square. Shoot. There's some big numbers. I need a calculator. You know what? We're just taking away all bets we made. Stacy. This is not good. This is not good.
You just need to keep in mind something about completing the square.
Well, I don't know anything about completing the square.
What has to be in front of your squared term?
Plus. 1. 1?
No, I'm getting on the part where you start like doing the bottom stuff. And now I'm getting real confuzzled.
Can't you take... Okay.
What's confuzzle?
Do you multiply? Alright, let's just. Do you multiply 36 and 9?
Huh?
Where'd you get 9 from?
36 is half the b term squared.
Yeah? Okay, where'd you get 9?
9x squared. Do you multiply those two? You just take away what factor out 36. You only factor out the completed square term. Hold on, never mind. I don't need help anymore. I think I got it in there. circle.
Also remember the instructions. Decide whether or not each equation has a circle as its graph.
No circle.
No circle.
If it does, give the center and radius. If it does not, describe the graph.
No circle. Can we just do this together?
This was a trick problem. I'm going to give you the real one to try.
See, some crap.
36. X squared plus y squared plus
I feel like
4x plus 4y plus 8 equals 0. There you go. Do that one
I
instead.
thought you said easy, and I was like, when did we start getting E's in here?
E.
See, this is so much easier.
All right, well, if you do this one correctly, I'll let you start your homework.
Sweet.
If not, we do another exam.
I'm hungry. Oh, wow, I just had a sharp pain. Ow.
You having a heart attack?
I don't know. Sometimes my heart does do weird things, though. Half the b term squared. Uh-oh. Aww.
Can I stay here during lunch? Can I finish my homework?
I don't care. You also have the last 25 minutes of stats today.
Oh, yeah.
But yes, you can. I don't care.
I might have. This is too easy. I got. Uh-oh. Oh, you got? Ethan, are you done?
I have to actually work it out. I don't have the answers, so just give me a second.
Stomach just growled a little loud. I need to do my government homework.
It's so easy.
Oh, what take?
I did it in like the rest of class we had. Like it's easy. Everything's spelled out really easy.
That's good.
All right. What do we get?
X plus 2 squared plus x plus 2 squared equals 0.
Does anybody agree with her?
Would it be equals 8?
Does anybody agree with them? Ethan, what'd you get?
I wait, 36?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I did 32. 1 second.
Now, what'd you get for the radius?
The radius? I didn't know in my head.
No, like Hope, what did you have for your radius?
Is that what's on the right side?
Oh,
0.
So can that be a circle with a radius of 0? No. So this is not an equation of a circle.
But technically that was right.
Yes. Well, other than the fact that you said x here, yes.
Oh, that was just why, yeah.
Okay, the other one going back up to 28. What is the center for this one?
4 or 1.
Remember, it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. So if this is positive, what is that? Huh? Yeah. Negative 4, 3, and what's the radius? 3.
3 squared.
Well, the radius is 3. We square it because of... All right. Are we okay with this?
Yeah.
Any questions? We're
Yeah.
good? Fantastic. All right.
We have a lot of time left.
You need to do 13, 19, 27, and 33. I'll be nice.
Hey,